So this is Jackie Robinson. He was the first African American to play in a professional sports league in the United States, and he debuted in his rookie year with the Brooklyn Dodgers in 1947, and nobody made it easy for him. It was very tough, but he persevered and became honored as one of the best baseball players and one of the best Dodgers of all time, and so we honor him on days like today. So let's talk about what you are going to do today in your class. So you are going to go to Flipgrid. It sometimes works better to use the app and put in this code right here, F1730666, than it is to do the link. I don't know. For some people, it just works better. It's up to you. But when you get to Flipgrid, what you're going to be doing is you are going to record yourself telling a story. You have to show your face that you might use for a personal narrative. You must also, to get full points for this assignment, respond to two people asking a question about their story. So for example, asking more details. This video here is my instructions.
Okay, so I want you to record yourself.
But it is also, within those instructions is also my example. Okay, so, and you're going to hear it's not very well organized. I'm not asking it to be. It doesn't have an introduction or conclusion yet, but it is kind of like the roughest draft of your story. So after you do that, I also have some work on 3 different ways we use the past tense. This is just a little video for you to see. And then this is the worksheet here, and then this is the instructions for the worksheet. Definitely watch the instructions first. It's very important in order for you to do well on it. Okay, the directions aren't necessarily enough on the page by itself. So tomorrow we are going to have our WebEx. And in our WebEx, you are going to be writing the organizer for your essay. If you come to the WebEx, hopefully by the end of the WebEx, you'll be done. It is actually the only assignment we have tomorrow, so the WebEx might go a little bit longer because I want to work all the way through writing your organizer. Okay, so that's today. Message me if you have questions. Remember, this is a new essay, so if you're still a little bit behind on the previous essays, or the previous essay, you can still work on this one. Okay? All right. I will hope you have a good day.